So today I'm going to bring you guys a different type of video. I haven't done this type of video on my channel in so long, but I'm going to be doing a wig install. I'm going to be having a video coming out that's going to be like an affordable type of self-care video, and I wanted to give y'all like a full detailed review first and the wig that I'm going to be wearing in that video. So I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Amazon. I'm going to put the name right here, and these are my first impressions of the wig. This is supposed to be a 22-inch wig. I'm telling y'all off the bat, it's not 22 inches. That is the only thing I don't like about this company so far. The hair is soft. It didn't really shed. It advertised as HD lace, but it's not HD lace. If you did not know, I am a former hairstylist, so I used to install people's wigs all the time. I have old videos. I might have privated them. If I didn't, they're still up. But I used to be a hairstylist basically all high school and a little bit of like college time. But they advertise as HD lace. It's not HD. I'm telling you right now, this is transparent, but I'm going to make it work as usual. And it just comes like this. I'm going to leave it linked down below. It is also linked in my Amazon store. But it's decently full. It's not very thin. I was a little nervous, but once I washed and blow dried it, it did get a little thicker. So I'm going to be installing this wig. I'm not going to be talking throughout the video. I'm just going to be probably doing a voiceover, but I want to show y'all the wig first. And yeah, so I'm gonna be installing this wig. If y'all like these type of videos, be sure to comment down below, and also go check out my TikTok. I made a TikTok version of this. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna get into installing this wig right now. Okay, y'all, so excuse my voice if it sounds a little weird. I am feeling a little sick, but I wanted to do this voiceover over certain parts to tell y'all what I'm doing. So first I put makeup that is a little darker than my skin tone on the top and bottom of the lace. Now I'm going to be laying down the glue, and then I'm going to be letting it dry and then putting down the lace. And I'm going to be spraying it with a little of the Ebon hairspray, tying it down. We both know that we're grown. That's why I want to know how many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't want to waste my time. Back on my mind, I'm up and you say 2 and 3. You look good, you came to party, but I don't want to waste my time. Temptation is calling your name, sweet persuasion. Baby, this is a game. Come closer, baby. What you need, impression is what I'm making you feel good. I ain't leaving alone. I feel like I could be honest, baby. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know how many drinks would it take you. So the Ebon hairspray can get a little crusty, as y'all can see, but it's gonna come all together at the end. I'm just gonna use rubbing alcohol to clean up a little bit, and then a little makeup that was the same makeup I used at first, and then spray it down again. The second time I spray it doesn't get messy, but since the lace is on and I'm pulling it up, that's why it gets a little messy. So I So next up, I'm going to be hot combing everything. You want to do parts to make sure it's super flat. Hot comb everything. Hot comb your baby hairs forward. And just take your time with this part. This is what gets your wig to lay really flat. Alright guys, so this is the final look of like me getting my baby hairs together and cutting light layers. Like, this is my first time doing my hair mad long, so I was trying to be so perfect, but I just cut like a little bit of framing in the front, nothing crazy because I hate cutting hair because it stresses me out. But I'm gonna curl this, probably show y'all a few clips, but come back. But that is the main video, was me installing the wig. If y'all want a super detailed while I show y'all while I do it, let me know in the comments. But this is pretty detailed. If you're like a visual learner, this can help you a lot. But I'm just gonna curl my hair and come back and show y'all at the end.
Baby,
Alright, babes, so y'all probably gonna be mad at me. I did not get much curling content. I was making TikToks at the same time, so y'all, I'm getting a camera very soon. But I wanted to show y'all how the hair came out. This is it. Like, I've been playing in it, taking some pictures, some videos. But I will insert, y'all will see some of the clips of me curling. But if y'all want a detailed curling video, let me know. If y'all want another hair video, let me know. Any other type of video ideas, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is how the hair came out. It's super soft, it's super luscious. Like, it actually came through. The only problem I have really is that it's not 22 inches. This is giving 18, want to be 20, definitely not 22. But other than that, the hair is cute and it's very affordable. So I'm going to put the link down below, and I am going to, y'all see the baby hair says baby hair in, part is parting, curls is curling. Like, this is the first time I did my hair in so long, so I am feeling myself. But be sure to go check out my pictures on Instagram and go like them up for me, and also go check out my TikTok. I made like a little TikTok video also doing my hair, like I said. But this is the end of the video. Let me know if y'all want to see more hair videos from me, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and if you are not, I hope your day gets better after watching my video and continues to get better throughout the day. But see you babes in the next video.